Alright, so I have started a new project for this using Leah by Chocobunny, and it's EGirl Base, but this can apply to any base that you're using. I just have used EGirl a lot. So, what you'll do, typically it'll look, everything might look like this. Close that up, might look like that. So you'll open the scene, you'll click the drop down, you'll click the body, you'll go over to the inspector. You'll typically have to unlock the shader right here, and then you'll take whatever textures you're using and you'll import them. So I'm just going to use my unreleased texture, and I'm going to just swap the normal maps like that, and then it'll say fix now, fix it. Might look a little weird. We'll get to it. You're gonna scroll down. You're gonna find decals right here. Click the drop down. If it's got other decals, sometimes you can swap them, sometimes you can just add it, and it might end up as a toggle. I just prefer to use avatars that don't have a decal already. So you'll click down on 0, check it off. It'll look like this, and you'll scroll down, and you'll take, oops, I did not import the right thing. Ignore what I did there. Hee hee. Take the decal, which typically looks black in here, and you'll slap it in there. And wha-bam, there you go. Your texture is on. It should look good and normal and not all funky. And then from there, you'll just go and, upload your avatar and do what you gotta do. But that's the simplest way to add a texture. If it comes with a base image, like if you've made a texture for your personal and you want to add that and just swap the body color, you can do that. Let me uncheck this box and it'll look like this. So if you have a base image, you'll just go and you'll swap it up here at the texture. Sometimes they won't match the head, so you'll have to mess around with the color. So like this, kind of mess around with it until it looks as close to the head as possible, and then you can upload it that way. And there's your texture.